The idea that I should make a video about the phrase out of nowhere came in my mind out of nowhere. नहीं समझा? अरे यही तो सीखेंगे इस वीडियो में. Hey everyone, my name is Megha and you're watching English with Megha, and in this video we are going to learn what is the phrase out of nowhere and in which context, in which sense we can use it in our conversation. So when someone or something is appearing all of a sudden without any prior indication or warning, at that time you can use this phrase. Also, you can explain it to say to arise or to happen unexpectedly, surprisingly. Alright? Let's see some real life examples which is quite funny, so I can say that you will have some fun as well. But here is the disclaimer, don't laugh at me. Okay? Now I'm going to frame this phrase in the real incident which happened to me. Yes. So I was shooting a video, alright, and a fly came out of nowhere and it bothered me throughout the time of shooting. So you can see that I have used the phrase out of nowhere because it was completely unexpected. Hence the windows of the room are always shut and room is always cleaned. So there is no possibility or there is no chance of a fly coming into a room. Let's see one more example. So I was talking to my friends and a girl came out of nowhere and she started fighting with me. So basically I want to say that I didn't know who was that girl, what was her name, and I didn't expect that event to happen, but it happened, alright? And that is why we are using this phrase out of nowhere. And then the same girl came into my birthday party and gave me a present out of nowhere. So basically she wanted to say sorry for that day, alright? I have one more idiom which is similar to the phrase out of nowhere. Yes, out of the blue. Out of the blue. So it says when something happens out of the blue, it is completely unexpected. Here is an example. One day out of the blue, I got a job offer from one of the biggest IT company. Here I would like to say that you can use both phrases interchangeably. I mean, you can use out of nowhere in the place of out of the blue, and you can use out of the blue in the place of out of nowhere. Let's put out of nowhere in the place of out of the blue, okay? So one day out of nowhere, I got a job offer from one of the biggest IT company. So you can see either we can use out of nowhere or out of the blue. So I'm hoping that from now you are going to use these two phrases in your conversation, and this is how you can take your English to next level. Thank you for watching me. अगर ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा देखने में, तो प्लीज़ hit the like button, do subscribe and share. Also, I want you to make some funny sentences with the help of these two phrases. I really want to read your funny sentences. So make it quickly. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.